started modeling or finished a complex animation. Yeah, saving your work properly helps you avoid losing your progress. Before saving, take a quick moment to review your project. Make sure any recent changes have been completed and that your scene looks the way you want. This is a good habit to build, especially before closing Blender. Next, click on the File menu in the top left corner of the Blender window. From the drop-down menu, choose Save as if you're saving the project for the first time, or choose Save if the project has already been saved before. Now select the folder where you'd like to keep your Blender project. Enter a descriptive file name so it's easy to find later. Blender saves projects using the blend file format, which stores your models, materials, animations, and most project settings. Once everything looks good, click the Save as Blender File button. Blender will save your project to the selected location. After that, you can continue working, and future saves will only require a quick click on Save or the keyboard shortcut. To save your work even faster, use the keyboard shortcut Control plus S on Windows or Command plus S on macOS. It's a good idea to save regularly while you're working, especially before making major changes to your project. Finally, open the folder where you saved your project and confirm that the blend file is there. Taking a few seconds to verify the file can save you a lot of trouble later. And that's how you save a Blender project. Yeah, it's a simple step, but it's one of the most important habits for every Blender user. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.